Are you a plant mom like me who just loves to keep gazing and admiring the beauty of their plants? Well, let me show you the latest addition to our family, this gorgeous Monstera variegata. This beauty inspired me to draw a Monstera leaf. The Monstera leaf has a heart shape, and I will be using this image from the internet as a reference. I am using Winsor & Newton 220 GSM A4 size sketching paper. Begin with drawing a heart shape and the middle vein. Then make the cuts. All cuts face downwards towards the tip of the leaf. Then make some holes near the middle vein, and to end I will draw the veins of the leaf. Clean up your sketch and we are ready to start inking in. I am using two thicknesses, a 0.005 and a 0.01 nib. Make the lines following the shape of the leaf. If you feel this is too fine for your liking, then just use a thicker nib. I keep turning the paper because I find it easier to draw a line towards me, and also I can see where the line is going. If I'm doing it like this, then it's behind me and I can't really see and my hand is stuck. So always try and draw lines towards you because your hand is going to be much more comfortable and you can really see where you're drawing your line. Now that we are done, I am going to outline the piece with a 0.08 or a 0.1 thick nib pen and then do some shading to add a little bit of depth. So now I'm going to be shading a little bit. Here I have a soft charcoal pencil from Camden. I'll be shading along the middle vein and then around the finer veins of the plant. This is a smudging stub. You can use, if you have something like this, you can use this, or alternatively you can also use cotton or paper folded up to basically smudge this. I hope this inspired you to draw your own favorite plant or leaf. You can use colors or make it just black and white like I did. If you like this video, do check out my other art videos and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.